spin and organize. The ultimate 360 degrees rotating desk organizer you never knew you needed. Ever feel like your desk is one pen away from total chaos? Enter the SKYDUE 360 degrees rotating desk organizer, a sleek, airy blue powerhouse that keeps your space clutter-free and ultra-organized. With 5 spacious compartments, this rotating organizer gives you instant access to everything from pens and markers to makeup brushes and kitchen tools. No more frantic searching, no more messy drawers, just effortless, fingertip convenience. Whether you're a student, teacher, artist, or kitchen pro, this dual-purpose organizer will have your essentials spinning right into place. Why settle for a boring, static pencil cup when you can have a smooth-spinning, 360-degree organizer? Unlike traditional holders, this bad boy rotates effortlessly, giving you instant access to whatever you need. No more digging, flipping, or knocking over everything just to find your favorite pen. Perfect for classrooms, offices, makeup stations, and even kitchen countertops, this space-saving powerhouse makes organization fun, fast, and effortless. Keep your workspace neat, keep your creativity flowing, and let this organizer do all the heavy lifting, literally at the spin of a finger. Don't let the polished, lightweight design fool you, this organizer is tough as nails. Made from high-quality, durable plastic, it's built to withstand daily use for years without losing its smooth rotation or stylish finish. The compact size, 5.8 inches by 5.8 inches by 4.7 inches, ensures that you get maximum storage without cluttering up your desk. Plus, the modern, airy blue color adds a pop of personality to any workspace. Whether you're working, studying, cooking, or glamming up, this organizer keeps everything tidy, accessible, and effortlessly chic. Think this is just for office supplies? Think again. This versatile organizer is perfect for storing makeup brushes, kitchen utensils, art supplies, and more. Whether you're whipping up a masterpiece on canvas or in the kitchen, this organizer keeps your essentials at your fingertips. Teachers love it for classroom storage, students swear by it for dorm desk organization, and beauty lovers can't get enough of it for makeup and skincare. No matter where you use it, the SKYDUE 360 degrees organizer is the multitasking sidekick you've been missing. Let's be real, organization shouldn't cost a fortune. The SKYDUE 360 degrees rotating desk organizer is budget-friendly, high-quality, and ridiculously functional. Forget wasting money on flimsy organizers that break, tip over, or just don't hold enough. With ample storage, durable materials, and a genius rotating feature, this one is a smart investment that pays for itself in convenience. Customers rave about its sturdiness, sleek design, and space-saving magic, making it a no-brainer buy for anyone who loves an organized, stylish workspace. Ready to ditch the mess and spin your way to a cleaner desk? Grab yours today.